Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here.
Today I had a special request for Sandy for crosses made with the jig. I'm going to be using 18 and 20 gauge artistic copper wire. I have the artistic wire deluxe jig kit. I have flat pliers, cutters, and my looping pliers. So here's the setup for the cross. Don't forget to put your little plugs on the back. I'll put a link for the replacement plugs. And we're going to start with our 18 gauge wire, and we're going to bring it around starting at the bottom and curve it around with your finger as you bring it around the pegs, and then on the other side, holding it down so it doesn't slip off the pegs. Bring the wire around, smooth it with your thumb to curve it around, and bring it over to the other peg. And then we're going to bring it straight up to the top, curve that wire around, and then we want to bring it across the top peg on either side. So that's our beginning step, and then we'll remove it from the jig. From there, we're going to get our fine round nose pliers and bend one wire straight up, and then on the other side we're going to help that bend with the round pliers and bring it around to hook it on the vertical wire. Hold it firmly and give that wire a tug, and then we are going to clip it with our flush cutters. These are the Xuron flush cutters. So give it a little clip, and then with our tweezer nose pliers, we're going to pinch in that little pokey end and give it a good little pinch. So now we're going to cut the end to about 1/2 inch, and then take the looping pliers and bend the wire out at an angle and around to close that loop. So that's the finishing point. Give it a little pinch with the flat pliers. And there's our cross. You can keep it simple, or Sandy added a bead at the bottom and I added a bead in the middle. So now you can also make this with 20 gauge wire, and then we're going to hold it firmly and twist it around twice to make a little fancy twist on the sides. So now we're going to hold it and do the same thing, twist, twist 2 times. Do the sides first so it'll remain even, and then you can do the bottom one. Hold it firmly and twist, and then twist again. So we have 3 sides done, and then bring it around and do the last one. Hold it firmly with the flat pliers. You can use nylon jaw pliers if you like. And we're going to twist, twist. It just gives it a different look, and it holds it all together. So once you have the twist done, you can do any little adjustments that you need so it looks more straight. And there's the finished one. So now we're going to do another one. Bring the wire around. This is the 20 gauge wire. So bring it around. The 20 gauge is easier to work with than the 18 gauge. It's a little more delicate. We're going to bring that one up here, up to the top, and this time we're going to finish it with a loop on either end of the wire. This is a nice clean finish. It's a different look. So we're just going to remove it from the jig once you've done those loops at the top, and then we're going to clip them flush on either side. So give them a good little clip, pinch it in, and then what we want to do now is bring those loops together and hold them together with the looping pliers. And now you can do your twist. So we're going to twist around and around, holding firmly with the looping pliers. And then bring it around. And then we could do the opposite side, which would be the bottom. So hold it with the looping pliers and twist and twist. And go to the sides now. Hold it with the looping pliers and twist, twist. Take your time with this. And now go to the other side. Hold it and twist, twist. So now we have all our twists done, and those little loops line up at the top. So you could just hang it with a jump ring like that, or if you want a little more fancy, you can separate those loops and it looks like a little Celtic heart. So there's lots of possibilities you can do with this basic design.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.